I know you're feeling a little sluggish. Well, I got something to boost your energy. Want to try it? All right. So we have 2 pieces of turmeric, 1 inch of ginger. We have a half of lemon. We're going to peel it. 1 sweet potato, 2 pieces of celery. We have 5 carrots, 2 apples, and 1 orange. That's it. This is our energy booster. Ready? Let's go. Gonna add our orange, gonna add our lemon, gonna add our celery, gonna add our turmeric, add our ginger, add our apples, add our carrots, and add your sweet potato. And then we're gonna top off our juice with a little bit of black pepper. Every time we juice turmeric, we wanna add a little bit of black pepper. It helps to activate the turmeric. And so there you have it. That's gonna give you about 22 ounces of delicious nutrition to help boost your energy. I call it morning glory. Cheers.